In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add favicon to card.co website. A favicon, also called a site icon, is the tiny image that shows up in your browser tab, bookmarks, and shortcuts. It gives your site a polished, professional look and helps visitors recognize your brand at a glance. Before we begin, keep in mind that this feature is available only on Card's Pro plan. If your account isn't on Pro yet, you'll need to upgrade in order to use the icon option. Start by preparing an icon file on your computer. A simple high-contrast square image works best. PNG is a great choice, and sizes like 256 by 256 or 512 by 512 pixels are ideal. Keep it clear and uncluttered since it will be displayed very small, and aim for a modest file size so it loads quickly. With your card site open in the editor, click the Publish button. This opens the Publish panel where you control how your site goes live. If you manage multiple card sites, confirm you're editing the correct one before continuing. Inside the Publish panel, switch to the Media tab. This area stores files associated with your site, including your favicon. Scroll until you reach the icon section, then click Upload. Choose your prepared image and confirm. Card will attach that file as your site icon. If you're not on the Pro plan, you'll see that the icon feature requires an upgrade before it can be applied, so make sure your plan is active. When the icon is in place, finalize everything by selecting Publish Changes. This pushes the update to your live site so your favicon appears for visitors. Card updates are usually instant, but browsers sometimes cache icons. If you don't see the new image immediately, give it a few minutes, then refresh the page or open the site in a new tab. You can also try clearing your browser cache if it seems stubborn. A few quick pointers for the best result. Avoid tiny text or intricate details. In most cases, bold shapes or a single letter read far better at small sizes. Ensure the background contrasts with the foreground so the icon is visible in light and dark themes. If your logo has transparent areas, check that it still looks good against different tab colors. And that's all there is to it. By publishing your site, heading to the Media tab in the Publish menu, uploading your image in the icon section, and publishing changes, you've added a clean, professional favicon to your card.co website. Enjoy the sharper, more branded look of your site, and thanks for watching.